Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's just open the settings application and then tap to more features. After that click to the super snap and you'll see down here the screen recording section. Just to change system sounds settings you should click here to sound resource. Now we have selected the system sounds, so we'll use all our medias, just sounds from different applications. We can also use the microphone, for example, if you want to comment something, or you can mute video just by selecting none. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.